Okay, here's what I got so far. The only difference from the original is I had to drop the bottom of the eye down a little bit to tie these purple letters together. And this mark is the balance point, so we can ignore that. But right now it's 4 layers. And the colors are different, so you can see the different layers better. If we go to the bottom layer, this is sized for a 2-penny box nail. And this white puzzle piece is the white behind the eye. And this lug is just to give you a way to hang it to paint or powder coat it. But this piece and this seam will be visible from the back. Then the next layer is purple. And these edges are flush. But the next layer is yellow. And the layers underneath that are inset a little bit so that they don't stick out. And this layer has a white puzzle piece for the teeth. And theoretically, if you start the cut in the right place, you could just cut that out of that layer and then paint that piece white and that one yellow instead of cutting a separate piece. When you cut this piece will drop out. And again, there is some overlap on those edges, so your pierce point may not show at all wherever it is. But if you use lead ends, then you'll have to position your pierce point somewhere where it will be covered up more than that little inset distance. And the top layer is purple, and it's pretty thin, so if you're not using glue, then you might want to make this yellow part a 5th layer so that that purple would be solid and have more room for tape or whatever else you're using to attach the layers together.